What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve, and I really appreciate you being here. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys are working on. If you guys have any cool builds coming up, because, like springtime is right around the corner, and so that's race time. You know what I mean? I'm super hyped. Got my Turbo Civic here that I'm filming on right now, but that's not what we're working on today. I don't have my mini mechanic with me right now. He's taking a nap, so this one so far is going to be solo dolo. We're working on the Blazer today. So, as many of you know, it's been down for a while, and the story behind the thing, my wife was driving it every day to work on the highway. Something happened, ran out of oil one day. Couldn't tell you. I honestly haven't even bothered to investigate that yet. But it ran out of oil. When she got home, it was like overheating and everything. I put 4.5 quarts of oil in, and that brought it up to normal. And it was like ticking and knocking and just bad. So I parked it because I figured, like, as long as I can just drive it around the driveway or the property, that it'd be easier to work on. So like, don't just park it. So then we bought her a new car, and it sat for 2 years, almost 3 years. And then we had to move here, so I started it up, drove it onto the U-Haul trailer, and you know, it made it. And I drove it off the U-Haul trailer and parked it here, and another 5 months went by. My wife's van got stolen, so we needed another ride. And so eventually I just decided to give this Blazer another shot, and it fired right up, and it drove around the neighborhood. So it is due, so it's making a clicking noise right now, and I think it's the alternator. So for 70 bucks, picked up a brand new one. Yeah, it's generic, so we'll see how long it lasts, but I did get a warranty with it. So I believe it's 3 bolts, so very simple to do. To disconnect the battery, 3 bolts to get it out. Should be a lot of banging and prying and stuff. And then 1 bolt on the back for the main positive, and then a plug connector in the opposite and reverse. So let's get to it. Oh, it actually went up. This belt looks to be in good condition here, so I'm not going to replace that. But yeah, this alternator is crusty looking. So the bolts to get it out, one right here, and one under here. But first, battery's coming out. So I will check in with you guys after I get these undone. So honestly, I've never done the alternator on this vehicle before, even though I've owned it for a long time. But this is very clearly, this one is very clearly the issue. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Janky, old. I mean, hell, there's spiders coming out of it. So one thing I did forget to mention is that the first step is to loosen the belt. And that you just put, for that, the belt tensioner is right beneath the alternator. Probably can't see it. Yeah, there we go. This guy right here. So right where my finger is, you put a 3/8 drive socket, just the socket part, or just 3/8 drive wrench. I mean, just the wrench, and turn counterclockwise, and it just pulls down and releases the belt tension. Okay, back to it. Alrighty, got everything put back together. I forgot I did have to replace my thermostat, but that is quite easy. Just 2 13mm bolts, one right there, and one on the back side. Just lift it up, put a new one in, boom, done. So now I'm gonna bleed the coolant system again, and hopefully this works. I had to give it a couple whacks. I had to give it a couple whacks to get it in and lined up, but yeah, it's on there, and the belt is tensioned, so, you know, ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? Oh God, the famous last words. I really only work on Hondas, you know what I mean? The battery's dying. Hopefully we don't die in the middle of this if something epic happens. All right, here we go, 3, 2, 1. So far, so good. Huh. All right, I don't know what I expected to happen, but I'm being extremely productive today. I was gonna call it quits after doing the thermostat and the alternator, but I have more work to do on the Blazer to make it nice for my wife. When I parked it, a tree fell on it, and you can click the link up here somewhere to check out that video. It was kind of crazy. Anyway, around that time, the mirror got broken off. I have a replacement passenger side mirror that I'm putting on. Usually that's kind of a pain in the ass, but this wasn't too bad. I've got the door card all completely off, and I'm just taking a little break, and then I'm gonna go put the new mirror on and attach it, hope it works, and put everything back together. The only thing that I have left to do on this thing is an oil change, and then I also have to replace the rear driver's side quarter glass, which I already have the glass. I just, never done anything like that, so. Any suggestions on that would be appreciated. And if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because I'm busting my butt here, and it's a whole lot of fun, but it's also a whole lot of fun to see my subscriber count keep going up. All right, so let's check out my progress so far. All right. So, you can see, it's pretty easy to get it off. So undo the screw here, 2 7mm bolts, hex heads, and then yeah, here are the 10mm for the mirror. So, and you can see it's mangled. So, got another one back here. Boom. It's been in here for years, so finally getting to it. That's how you put in work, guys. Just like that. It's all back together. Blah, blah. Little stank right there. Got to clean that off. Little by little, she's coming together. So, this was my first car, so that's kind of why I still have it, even though it's rusty and busted. I will never ever get rid of this. This was my grandfather's vehicle. Yeah, I'll never part with it. So I'm gonna go see what's involved in replacing the glass back there. Check in with you guys in a little bit. So it looks like the window's just glued in, because the old one just glued. Maybe there was a hook or something, but I'm just planning on getting on the inside and cutting out a piece of cardboard that's the same size and just kicking the shit out of it. So, if anybody has any better suggestions, let me know. Or else I'm just gonna proceed with that. I'll put like a tarp down and all that, but yeah, let me know.
I have to see this. They have to see this.
Cool. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much all I've got for you today. Just fixing up my Blazer a little bit. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you haven't, make sure you smash the subscribe button, and I will see you in a couple days with something new. Peace. Can't do it. How about this one? So.